my name is Kelly McElligott and I'm one of the educators here with Bywater Solutions, and I have a short video on how to create a report to include all the branches. So if you are a part of a branch system and you have reports that are specific to your branch, however, if you needed to create a report that included all the branches information, this is how we're going to show you how to use this great branch reporting tip. First, I'm going to show you what a report looks like when you pick a specific branch. These reports include what's called a runtime parameter. A runtime parameter basically allows you to make a filter appear before running that report, so you can run the report specific to for in this instance, branch. So here I have the parameters of a date as well as a drop-down menu that includes all my branches. However, what if I wanted to create this report that includes all the branches? Instead of going and getting the count for each one of these branches and adding them up, I'm going to show you an easy way to create this a drop-down menu that includes the option All Libraries. So we're going to go back to our home, and what we're going to do is we're going to create an authorized value for branches. And that is in our administration module, and we're going to create authorized values. So my report I'm going to create here, I'm going to have to remember this category that I created, so that is what I'm going to include in my SQL statement. Now once I have my category set up, I'm going to actually have to create authorized values for each of my branches. The authorized value is going to be the same as the authorized value that you gave your library or branch in the library and group parameters in the administration module. So one of my branches is called the Central Area Tech, and the authorized value is CAT. So what you're going to do is create an authorized value for each one of your branches. I'm going to do another one for my main branch, and I know that authorized value is just M. And I'm going to do another one, and I have the North branch, and that authorized value is just N. And then I have one more, and I have the East branch. So now this is the trick. We're going to create one more new authorized value for my branch report, and I'm going to have the authorized value as a percentage, which is in Koha's world a wildcard, and that will pick everything in this category. So my description will be all libraries, because that's what's going to show in my drop-down menu. So that wildcard will tell Koha and the SQL to pick all the branches, and that's the description that will show up. So now we're all set up. We're going to create an SQL report using our new authorized value category. We'll just do a basic count of all patrons. So my SQL is going to look just super basic, but once again, this is just to give you an idea of what you can do once you create this, this category and their authorized values. And here's my runtime parameter of branch, my pipe delimiter, and then I'm going to put puts and the end. So I'm going to count my borrowers, where my branch code, and then there's my parameter. Once I save my report, I can run it. And see, now I have this all libraries as one of the options, but I can still pick another one. So I'm going to go ahead and run the report for all my libraries. And I can see that there are 258 patrons in all my branches. I could go ahead and run the report just to see if how many are in my Central Area Tech Library versus all the patrons. And I can see in my Central Area Tech, I have 0. Let's go ahead and run it for my North Branch. And I have 32. So once again, this is just a really easy branch reporting tip that might help you in when you're creating your reports. This tutorial is a production of Bywater Solutions. I hope you learned a lot today. Thanks for watching.